signal uses carrot sticks and yogurt tubes for power.
It started at lunch, just a regular day, till my sandwich stood up and shouted hooray. He wore a cape made of cheddar and bread, with pickles for boots and ketchup so red.
I'm Super Sammie!
Here to save lunch, fighting off hunger with a mighty crunch. He zipped through the air with a mustard blast, saving my cookie from falling too fast. Then came a villain, the sneaky snack thief, trying to steal my lunch like a sneaky chief. But Sammie said, "Stop! You'll never win, not while I've got mayo under my skin." A taco joined in with a salsa swirl.
She's Taco Tornado, the spicy girl.
Together they flew across my tray, keeping bad snacks far, far away. At the end of lunch, with a cheesy grin, Sammie bowed low and tossed me a pin. Official sidekick of Snack Patrol crew. Next time you're hungry, we'll rescue you.